THC is one of the most commonly used substances in the United States, and impairment is increasingly linked to crashes, workplace mistakes, and academic struggles. Yet the risks often feel abstract and easy to underestimate. The Fatal Vision THC goggle kits bring these risks to life in a safe, controlled way. Each kit includes hands-on activities that highlight how THC impairment can affect driving, workplace and academic performance, and other daily tasks. With multiple kit options, you can choose the best fit for your program. THC can impair decision-making, memory, visual processing, perception, and cognitive functioning. These abilities are critical to safe driving and everyday responsibilities. To model these impairments, the Fatal Vision THC goggle alters a person's ability to perceive visual cues. Paired with kit activities, participants experience how slowed reaction times, confusion, and short-term memory issues can affect real-world performance. These activities create an eye-opening learning experience. Participants not only struggle through the exercises, but also reflect on how THC impairment could affect them or those around them. Group discussions deepen that impact, reinforcing the risks in a personal and meaningful way. Developed with input from drug recognition experts, each kit provides activities for traffic safety, workplace safety, and daily living. Clear step-by-step guides and instructional videos make the kits ready to use right out of the box. Help your community understand the real risks of THC impairment with a hands-on approach, not just an explanation. Visit fatalvision.com or call 800-272-5023 to equip your program today.